What's going on, guys? Markie from the YouTube channel online certification course. Here I'm going to show you 4 ways how to improve your food safety management system. Now, it doesn't have to do with the upper management. Well, it does, but also what about your crew? What about your team? We're going to get them certified as well. Show you the ins and outs of food safety management system. There'll be links below as well you could check out that I'm gonna give to you guys. So go ahead and enjoy the tutorial. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel below. Also comment as what you'd like to get certified in, and I can personally send you a link for you to check out. All right, so go ahead and do you do. Many good things still coming out the gate on this channel, so go ahead and show some love. Enjoy the tutorial. For more information on participation and registration for the Food Safety Summit, check out the link below that you could click on that and go ahead and register. If you missed the event, you get access to the summit recordings until July 31st, 2021. So here, I'm going to give you 4 ways to improve your food safety management system. If not implemented correctly, your food safety management system will not prevent contamination. Using the following techniques will help enhance your system. There will also be links in the description below for you to check out if you need to get certified in any other courses. What's going on? This is Markie Williams, and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. Enjoy the tutorial. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Subscribe so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Also comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. Foodborne illnesses cost billions of dollars each year in the United States. A lack of standards can lead to severe consequences, including loss of customers, negative impact on brand reputation, and employees missing work due to illness. As a result, safety is vital for any brand that is committed to high-quality food and maintaining a positive brand image. Food safety management system, the processes and procedures that companies set up to prevent contamination are essential in reducing the risk of foodborne illness, ensuring the safest product possible. By FDA regulations, most food processors must have HACCP as well as corrective action prevention action (CAPAs) plan in place. Even with the right safety guidelines, however, contamination or exposure to food hazards can still occur. The following are 4 ways to improve the quality of your food safety management system. Even if your business HACCP is highly effective in theory, it won't prevent contamination unless actual practice lineups with documentation, regular audits can ensure employee practice complies. HACCPs are structured around identifying both potential food hazards and critical control points, or CCPs, where your system has the opportunity to prevent, mitigate, or eliminate a potential issue. Usually, this means storing food items or performing some biological, physical, or chemical action to a target limit, like a specific temperature, to prevent or mitigate contamination. For example, in the manufacturing of chicken product, cooking, hot holding are critical control points at which the product needs to be heated to a certain temperature to eliminate or prevent potential hazards. Here, an audit would be a chance to ensure employees cook and hot held foods at the proper temperature. If they aren't, the food safety management team can make policy changes that ensure practice lineups with planning. The audit process should be consistent and occur regularly. It should also cover every aspect of the HACCP strategy and place a particular focus on potential hazards. A thorough equipment program can be highly effective in reducing the risk of food contamination. To minimize risk, your plan should look at the equipment needed in your plant, as well as it's constructed and maintained. For example, choosing industry standard or food safe materials can help prevent contamination. Investing in the right kind of stainless steel can both improve operating costs and help reduce the risk of food exposed hazards. Preventive maintenance plans for food safety equipment can also reduce the risk of contamination by ensuring the proper functioning of site equipment. Training programs are an essential component when learning food safety. If your employee doesn't know how to handle food properly or aren't aware of the HACCP or HACCP documentation or courses in the food processing, they won't be able to execute the plan and prevent contamination. Of course, there will be links in the description below on where to get these certification courses from, and I'm the one to supply them. Getting your team certified not just for your crew chiefs or your manager of your business, but your cook, chef, food preppers, everyone. Getting everyone on board on the same page of how to handle food properly, it will be one less headache when the time comes for the power that be to audit your establishment, which will consist of certifications and the other points I had mentioned prior. Many thanks for taking some time to check out my tutorial. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and once again I can send you a personal link to check out. Once subscribed, please comment below done and I will reply back to you. You can also check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I have an online certification course page you can like and follow as well. Once again, many thanks, and oh yeah, please make sure you check out these floating other tutorials that you'll see on the screen. Check those out and go ahead and like, follow, subscribe. Once again, it's Markie Williams, and I'm out.